Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bea's Beauty, and today we're gonna do a little summer springish look. I wanted to experiment today with this palette since I have it here and I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. Now I got this small palette only because it doesn't look that small. First of all, like it's quite big, you know, and it has a big mirror, so that's gonna be really helpful when I'm doing my makeup. I've been wanting to use the yellow forever. I actually bought this much because of the yellow and that pink down there. I'll have the names by so I can put them on the screen. Oh, B. It's called B, guys. That's so funny I said that. It's called B, and I've been wanting to buy this palette basically because of that yellow, but that's crazy. I'm gonna go in with Flashback, which is that white color. Wow, that's very pigmented. And I'm gonna place it pretty much on top of the lid. I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow today. I'm gonna place literally this pinkish color right on the beginning of my eye. It's not really showing up, so I'm gonna grab it with my finger. It's a very subtle pink, but I want to put it there because I'm gonna use another color in a bit that's gonna kind of overpower this, but it's gonna look really pretty, I think. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Hello and Playground, but first Hello. It's a very soft blue, as you can see. Look how much it translates on the finger. I'm gonna grab a bit of a blending brush and I'm gonna soften that up. This turquoise is called Playground, as I did say before. I'll fall out of here. Okay, you guys, we're gonna start blending this turquoise, this Playground color, and see what we can make of it. Now I'm gonna reinforce the colors between, and then we're gonna pop on a yellow in a corner. I think that's gonna look well nice. And I'm gonna grab the color with my fingers. Once again, the blue, and we're gonna reinforce it. Here we're gonna do like a degrading color, you know, from the turquoise to the pink. Back to that salmon, beautiful color. Oh, look at my hand. Damn. Okay, and now for the crazy color. I get the bit of a white. So this can definitely show. I'm gonna grab the color B we've all been waiting for. Let's see how pigmented this really is, guys. Oh my gosh. That is it coming up? That is a beautiful color. This color has a tiny bit of fallout. I feel like a butterfly like this, actually. I know it looks insane right now, guys, but don't worry. It's gonna get better. Mamma mia. Move on with the face, guys, and then we'll finish off the bottom part two foundations. I have here the Perfect Match Alliance Perfect from L'Oreal Paris. And I got a Shiseido Synchro Skin Lasting Liquid Foundation. So we're gonna mix both of them and we're gonna see what comes out of all this craziness. So let's get to it. It's a small size. I mean, it's quite a small size, but it has lasted pretty long. I've been matching it with other foundations and it's been going pretty well. So it's lasted quite a lot. And it actually does kind of match my skin. Like it finds the like color to match it. I don't know. And maybe it helps that I'm mixing it with another foundation, you know. So let's try this out. I'm using a Levitation from Kat Von D's Shade and Light contour palette. I'm gonna set in place, get my nose and everything around that could, you know, potentially not be set. And we're gonna set it. I'm gonna grab the color Subconscious and Shadow Play with my winged brush. Gonna take off the excess and we're gonna place it on the jawline. I like to do very light strokes and circle motions up. I feel it works best for my face. And I bring it up to my forehead. And I like to do a little like, you know, that moment where I close it all together. I love to put contour. I mean, I don't love to put it. I actually never do. But when I remember, I love it. You know why? I've always had like, so sexy when a woman has like these things, I think, you know, looks so nice. So we're gonna add some now that we're on this, you know. And I'm gonna get the light shade and I'm gonna keep contouring. Is this what my nose will look like if I would have surgery? Oh, that's insane. Like if I turn sideways, you can totally see that, can't you? But if I stay that way, what do you see? Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know. I'm gonna leave that there because it's too late now. But we're gonna move on to the bottom of our eyes. How should we do this? And we're gonna grab Mr. 518 from the May palette with the same brush because I don't really care. Here it is, pigmented, picky. This is like a crazy look, not gone wild, but either way, I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna get some bronzer. We're gonna bronze this up. We're gonna put with my new brush, Kiko Milano bronzer. Let's bronze this bitch up. Oh, I quite like this brush actually. I'm gonna put this coral blush on the skin and we're gonna be very corally. We're gonna do our eyebrows. I've got here my Shiseido eyebrow pencil, and I just love it. It's a dandy doodle do. Right. I don't know why I said that. I'm gonna get my eyebrow pencil. Guys, what I love about this pencil is that it has 3 parts to it. So what I like to do, fill in what would be missing pretty much. Kind of fill it in, put it in. And then we grab the small little corner and we start drawing. Worry guys, I know it looks a little cray-cray, but we're gonna grab our little thing and we're gonna soften that up by brushing softly upwards. What do we think? Looks a lot better. Grab your Morphe Jet liner. Here we go. Okay guys, now once we have the eyeliner, we're gonna move on to the bottom part of our eye. We're gonna intensify it a little more with a little bit of black stick liner. Beautiful guys, it's coming all together. I said it would. Come on, have some faith. Okay guys, now that we have that, our eyes are pretty much done. We're gonna put a little bit of mascara. We're gonna get these lashes tacky of mine so we can put our lashes on top. For the lips guys, I'm gonna be using the Bella Pierre Cosmetic Gel Liner Lip in this color, pinkish. We're gonna move on to the liquid lipstick. This is a matte liquid lipstick, and as you can see, it's a very pinkish color as well as the liner. So we're gonna place just a tiny bit. And it's a very, very light pink color. So I'm gonna add just the tiniest little bit of shimmer, just the tiniest little bit. This is a Morphe, and this is Abracadabra. Fucking hell. Right guys, I'm gonna put the lashes on. Hey guys, last but not least, we're gonna get that shimmer and we're gonna be done with our final look. Right guys, I just fixed this all into place with Max Fix Plus. Here's the final look guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is Be a Peace Beauty, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please take care of each other, be safe, and stay at home.